Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Maggi soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need just 1 packet of your favorite Maggi soup mix and 2 cups of water. Begin by pouring those 2 cups of water into a saucepan. Place it on your stove and bring it to a rolling boil over medium heat. While that's heating up, carefully open your Maggi soup packet, ready for the next step. Now that your water is boiling, it's time to add the soup mix. Slowly pour the entire contents of the Maggi soup packet into the hot water. It's crucial to stir continuously during this step, for about 3 minutes, to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep stirring until you achieve a perfectly consistent and smooth texture. This ensures every spoonful will be wonderfully creamy and enjoyable. Once your soup is smooth, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer gently for just 2 more minutes. This short simmering time is important. It allows all the delicious flavors to fully develop and helps the soup thicken to the perfect consistency. After 2 minutes, your Maggi soup is ready. Carefully ladle the hot soup into bowls and serve it immediately for the best experience. Want to make your Maggi soup even better? You can easily customize it. Try adding some fresh vegetables like a handful of peas or finely diced carrots during the simmering stage for extra nutrition and crunch. For a boost of protein, stir in 1 beaten egg during the last minute of cooking. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a dash of black pepper makes a wonderful garnish too. Enjoy your personalized soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.